Okay, we moved the Mini around, a bit more space now to get it cleaned. Let's just have a walk around. Nasty rust up back here. Pretty dirty, stood for a long while. Look at them wheels. Let's see if we can get this a little bit more pleasant to work on.
A few moments later.
So we're halfway there, we've done the driver's side. This is still to be washed. Just using a paintbrush just to get the green mould off. Little bits of trim. So yeah, it's coming up clean. Plastics need doing and wheels need doing yet. Paintwork's gleaming now. Wax's about the worst. Hopefully T-coat will get that off a little bit. So coming back slowly. Being a bit more presentable. Just so I can get you in. A lot of it's just sitting grime. It's obviously sat for a while. Might need a bit of teacup, but that'll come back alright. So we've got both sides washed. All the grime and everything's come off. Don't look half bad. Just that tailgate that's got a bit of rust on. Not bad for a 22-year-old car. Let me bling them wheels up and it'll look $1 million. Car's had a quick hand wash. Got all that dirt off. Wheels just finished. Come up quite well. A few dings and bangs. Bodied his 22-year-old. Okay. Let's see if this will come off. Okay. So we can get this off with a bit of teacup. Come off the bumper, carry on with the boot lid. It's coming away. Maybe on a better day we've got a bit more time. Just T-cut the whole thing. Anyway, check back in a minute, see how we go with this. Okay, let's just have a look how we've done there. Got the staining off the bumper. That's bubbly but not as bad. Just doesn't draw your eye to it now. So yeah, it's not perfect, but we can draw his eye away, and the big rust will do until we can get a fresh tailgate on there. There we go, it's nowhere near as noticeable now. Staining's gone. Just after a bit of that teacut. Now we're cleaning on the outside, let's have a look inside. Pretty dirty. Sweet wrappers. Horribleness. Even a bit of scribbling. Kids' homework. Roof lining sagged, but that'll have to be fixed another day. Smells very hot, old ash tree car. So let's give this a hoover and a clean out, see if we can make it a bit more pleasant. I've already got bits falling off. I think these mats have seen better days. Oof. 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 Not very pleasant. Pretty grim. Let me get you in here. Nasty. So about chewing gum, load stick wrappers. Just gonna get this up. Conker there, pencil. Some sort of junk. Yeah, grubby, hot, not a very nice place to be. Yeah, you get the idea. You get the idea. Okay, mini back seats just lift up on these two brackets here, and then those four are for the isofix. So pull that out, we'll just give that a vacuum as well. So we cleaned all the windows over the floor. It's going to be a lot cleaner in there. Still needs some work on the carpets and the upholstery. But that's about it for today. It's clean, fresh magic tree. Should be a lot better now.